Qase's audit logs track activities and changes made within the platform, making it easy to see who did what and when. They help users monitor and review interactions in their workspace. Take note that only regular users have access to audit logs, so read-only and billing users will not have the option to view them. Going through the log entries, each features a timestamp of the action, the details of a user that performed the action, and the description of what was done. By default, you can see all log entries for all Qase entities, but you can use filters to look up actions related to specific entity type, the member who performed the actions, and the dates when the events occurred. For entity types, you can select team members to see logs for when users have joined the workspace. For projects, you can see when a user has created or updated a project. For suites, you can see when a suite has been created, updated, or deleted. For cases, it's similar to suites with the addition to see the imports and restored cases. For defects, it shows when defects are created, resolved, or deleted. Runs and plans are similar in that you can see when a run or a plan has been created, updated, or deleted, and if cases have been added. For review requests, you will see when it is created, updated, approved, declined, or deleted. The other two filters are to choose which member carried out the action and when the action was made relatively or after, on or before an exact date. If you have more questions on this or any other feature, you can check out our help articles in our FAQ section. If you do not find an answer to your question, or if you have any feedback that you'd like to share with us, just drop us a message.